In this short video, we're going to show you how to use the R1 Soft Restore Backups. This comes free with your Crucial account in your cPanel. So how I'm going to show you this works is, I'm just going to assume that I've made a mistake and I want to restore this back to how it said dealer or private. Now I've changed the menu on purpose just for this demonstration. So in my cPanel account, and what I do here is I click on R1 Soft Restore Backups. It's going to load recovery points. Sit back, it could take up to half a minute to load. This takes 4 backups within 24-hour period. As you can see, June 11, June 11, June 11, and June 11. But I want to come back to this backup here. So what I do is a single left click on Browse, I double click on Home, double left click, and I scroll down to Public HTML. Check this box, and then we can come up here to Restore Selected. Now this is going to restore everything that was in the website. This is not the database, this is just all files and folders for now. So we click on Restore Selected. I want to restore, yes. And once this process starts, it will totally wipe out all the files and folders and replace them with the backup that we've chosen. The size that's happening, this will be the progress bar. So I'm just going to pause this video for a little bit until it starts to speed up here. Okay, files have restored successfully. We can now X out of here. And we can X out of here. Now we're going to do the database. So it's a single left click on this database. Come over here to Select and Restore Selected. Same process. Once this is complete, we'll get the green tick. Everything has been completed. Now, it may look like it's not doing anything, but it is running in the background, so just sit tight. As we can see, databases have been restored. Now we can X out of here. And if we come back to the website, if I do a refresh, this should also say dealer or private. Let's do a refresh. Dealer or private. So all files and settings have been restored back to the backup date, which was 4:04 this morning. And that's how we do a restore via the cPanel in R1 Soft Backups. Thank you for watching.